my family-sized smoked queso. We're going to start off with 2 gigantic cubes of Velveeta. We're going to cut them in half again, and dice. Add it to the pan. Now we add 1 can of Allmeyer's accent tomatoes, a small can of chilies, and 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. Trust me, you need this. I've tried other soups and it's not the same. Next we hit it with a little bit of taco tilly time. And don't forget that lime juice. You can use fresh, you can use bottled. It all works. A couple handfuls of grated cheese. Now we're going to slice up some smoked mozzarella. This Orca series knife makes it so easy. Toss that in the bunch. Now we get started on 2 bricks of cream cheese. Dice that up. Toss it in the pan with all the other goodies. The Oklahoma Joe Highland is sitting at 300 to 315 degrees. Every half hour, pull it out, give it a little mixy mix. Here you rotate every time you put it back in. Look at that smoked, creamy, cheesy goodness of